Hey everyone, welcome to Review Nation. Buying a food processor and blender separately can be expensive, but you also need some help with the cooking process. Are you also facing similar issues in the kitchen? Well, no need to worry. Based on my personal experience, a blender and food processor combo has helped me a lot. But before we get into which kind, let us discuss the products individually and how they work together. A blender food processor combo is a versatile appliance with both a pitcher for blending purposes and a bowl for processing food. The combo comes with the same base, although it uses separate blades. It also has separate jars and bowls. This versatile appliance offers a range of functions of blending smoothies or juices. It allows processing preparation for meals like slicing, chopping, grating, pureeing, making frozen desserts, nut butter, knead bread dough, etc. It is like obtaining the best of both worlds and combining these two appliances rather than purchasing two separate items. There are various products available to choose from blender and food processor combo, each with different quality, benefits, and prices. Today in this video, I will help you take the perfect pick from those available products. After extensive research and reading tons of reviews, I have made a list of the best blender and food processor combo out of the reputed brands based on personal opinion, product quality, durability, and customer reviews. If you want to see the price and find out more information about the products, be sure to check the links in the description box. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System. A blender and food processor combo is just what you need. One of the best picks is the Ninja BL770, which has a considerable design and size for all your prepping needs. It comes with a 64 ounces food processing bowl and a 72 ounces blender jar. It has a strong motor of 1500 watts and can handle the load of various ingredients. For a large size family, the food requirements are also going to be considerable. The extra large size containers in this combo will work great for you. The Ninja products come with two special cups called the Nutri Ninja cups, plugged straight into the blender base if you want to make frozen drinks or sorbets. The cups hold about 15 to 16 ounces, they are easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and BPA free. The Ninja blender has speed controls based on the exact function they provide, for instance, blend, dough, and crush. Additionally, it has a single serve button. It has super fast blades, which allow it to prepare foods in seconds. Number 2. Ninja Foodi Power Pitcher System. Another blender and food processor combo that has an outstanding quality is the Ninja Foodi. It is multifunctional as it can crush, process food, knead the dough, and even make smoothies due to its high motor power of 1400 watts. It comes in 3 different size jars of 72 ounces, 24 ounces, and 14 ounces. All of these are easy to clean. All other parts like lids and blades are removable and dishwasher safe. It does a pretty good job in blending smoothies and butter as it has a 6 preset auto IQ program. It also comes with Smart Torque, which allows the appliance to take the load of heavy food items. It has a Power Nutri cup for frozen drinks or juices and a Power Nutri bowl for nut butter, thick smoothie bowls, and ice cream. Number 3. Ninja BN801 Professional Plus. Another latest appliance that you must add to your wishlist is the Ninja BN801 Blender Food Processor. It weighs only 4 pounds and has a black stainless steel finish. It comes with a 64 ounces total crushing pitcher, a food processor kit, and single serve cups. Its best quality is the Auto IQ program feature, which has 5 presets for smoothies and drinks and just a single touch of a button. Other than that, it has 3 manual programs that help control the blending speed. It has 1400 watts of motor power and Sharp Pro extractor blades, processor bowl, and single-serve cups that are dishwasher safe. It comes in handy in the kitchen for making various drinks or food like sauces, purees, salsa, smoothies, desserts, and more. It is also known for its nutrient extractor qualities and works well for all healthy folks. Number 4. Cuisinart BFP703 BC Smart Power Duet. Another option loaded with features and great quality is the Cuisinart BFP703 BC. It comes with a powerful 7-speed blender that has an electronic touchpad and LED indicators, along with a reliable food processor. The motor power is about 500 watt, which is great for chopping, mixing, pureeing, and even crushing ice. The food processor has a 3-cup bowl in which it helps its user slice and grate ingredients well. It has a 48 ounces glass jar for the blender, and its blades are ultra-sharp stainless steel. It is also very easy to use, and the best part is that its parts are removable and dishwasher safe. This combination of blender and food processor's dimensions are 7.4 x 15.5 x 13.2 inches, and it weighs 10.3 pounds. It comes with overload protection, so you need not worry about safety purposes. Number 5. Oster Pro 1200 Blender and Food Processor. Another blender, food processor combo with noteworthy features is the Oster 1200. It is known to be one of the most popular choices. Its dimensions are 15.25 inches x 7.25 inches x 8 inches and weighs 7.9 pounds. It is long-lasting and comes with a 1200-watt motor. One of its most functional qualities is the dual-direction blades. The blades are high-speed, and the blades spin in 2 directions, which gives a smooth blend. It comes with 7 speed settings and 3 preset options for smoothies, milkshakes, and salsas. It has a 50.7 fluid-ounce blending jar, a 24-ounce smoothie bottle, and a 33.8 ounces food processing bowl, BPA-free. The blender bowl is sturdier than most. The blades on the food processor are also wider, which gives a good quality mix of ingredients. That's all from my end. I make helpful review videos daily, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. If you need more information or if you want to know the price or any available discount, please check the links in my description. For any kind of problems, please comment below. Stay tuned with us for updated reviews on the best products. It will save time and money. See you later in our future videos.